Have you ever walked into a restaurant, opened the menu, and then completely frozen? You know what you want, but the words in English just disappear.
Your mouth opens, nothing comes out, and the waiter is staring at you.
That moment is real, and today we are going to fix it permanently.
Welcome to Easy English Leap. I am Jake.
And I am Anna. Today, we have a full restaurant conversation for you with 15 real phrases you can use immediately. We will go through it slowly first, break it down phrase by phrase, and then practice it again at natural speed with time for you to repeat.
By the end of this, you will be ready to walk into any restaurant in the world and order with confidence.
Let us go.
Here are the 15 phrases you will learn today. Listen first, then we will practice them together.
1. Could we have a table for two, please? 2. Do you have any recommendations? 3. What is the soup of the day? 4. I will have the grilled salmon, please. 5. Can I have that without onions? 6. Is this dish spicy? 7. Could we get some more water, please? 8. We are ready to order. 9. How long will it take? 10. Could we see the dessert menu? 11. Could we get the bill, please? 12. Is service included? 13. Keep the change. 14. This is absolutely delicious. 15. Sorry, I think there is a mistake on the bill.
15 phrases. Every single one you will hear in the conversation coming up. Let us go slowly first.
Section 1. Conversation at a restaurant. Slow version. Listen carefully. Every phrase will appear on screen.
Music, soft restaurant ambiance. Fade out. Anna, the waiter is coming. What do we say?
Just follow my lead. Waiter voiceover.
Good evening. Welcome. Do you have a reservation? No, we do not. Do you have a table for two available? Waiter. Of course. Right this way. Here is your table, and here are your menus.
Thank you so much. Waiter, I will give you a few minutes. Can I start you off with some drinks?
Could we get some water, please? Still water, waiter. Absolutely. Still water for the table. I will be right back.
Okay. Let us look at the menu. Oh, there is a lot here.
Do you know what you want?
Not yet. Excuse me? Waiter? Yes, of course. Do you have any recommendations? What is popular here? Waiter.
Great question. Tonight, many guests are ordering the grilled salmon. It is really good. We also have a slow-cooked lamb, and the pasta is always a favorite. What is the soup of the day? Waiter, today we have a roasted tomato soup. It is lovely. A great starter.
That sounds perfect. Is the salmon spicy at all? Waiter. No, it is not spicy. It is seasoned with herbs and lemon. Very light. Wonderful. And can I have it without the cream sauce? Waiter. Of course. No problem at all.
I think we are ready to order. Waiter. Perfect. What would you like?
I will have the roasted tomato soup to start, and then the grilled salmon, please. No cream sauce. Waiter. And for you, sir?
I will have the slow-cooked lamb, please. And could we get some more bread while we wait? Waiter. Absolutely.
And how long will it take?
The lamb is about 20 minutes. That is fine. Thank you. Music. Time passing soft fade.
Jake, this is absolutely delicious. Try the salmon.
Wow. That is incredible.
Right.
Could we get some more water, please? Waiter. Of course. And how is everything?
It is wonderful. Thank you so much. Waiter, glad to hear it. Can I get you anything else? We have some lovely desserts tonight.
Could we see the dessert menu? Waiter. Of course.
Oh, the chocolate lava cake. I have to.
Get it. Absolutely get it.
Just the one dessert, please. The chocolate lava cake. Waiter, perfect choice. I will bring that right out. Music.
Dessert moment, soft fade. That was incredible.
One of the best meals I have had in a while.
Could we get the bill, please? Waiter. Of course. Here you are.
Thank you. Oh, wait. I think there might be a mistake on the bill. We only had one dessert, but it says 2 here. Waiter. Oh, I am so sorry about that. Let me fix that right away. Thank you so much. Waiter. Here is the corrected bill. Sorry about the confusion.
No problem at all. Is service included? Waiter. Yes, a 10% service charge is included. Great. Here you are. Keep the change. Waiter. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful evening.
You too.
Perfect. End of slow version.
Now let us break it down. We will go through the 15 phrases in 6 groups.
Group 1. Arriving and getting a table.
Phrase 1. Could we have a table for 2, please? This is the polite way to ask for a table. Could we is more natural than can we give us a table? It is soft, it is polite, and waiters hear it every night. Could we have a table for 2, please?
Notice the structure. Could we have a table for 2, please? You can change the number. For 2, for 3, for 4.
Group 2. Asking questions about the menu.
Phrase 2. Do you have any recommendations? This is a powerful phrase. You are letting the waiter do the talking, and you get to listen to natural English while deciding what to eat. Win-win. Do you have any recommendations?
Phrase 3. What is the soup of the day? Restaurants often change their soup daily. This phrase is very common and completely natural. What is the soup of the day?
Phrase 6. Is this dish spicy? Replace this dish with the name of anything on the menu. Is the salmon spicy? Is the curry spicy? Very useful phrase. Is this dish spicy?
Group 3. Ordering your food.
Phrase 4. I will have the grilled salmon, please. This is the standard natural way to order food. Not, I want the salmon. Not, give me the salmon. I will have the grilled salmon, please.
Phrase 5. Can I have that without onions? Use this to customize your order. Without onions? Without the sauce? Without cheese? Can I have that without onions?
Phrase 8. We are ready to order. Say this to let the waiter know. It is polite and clear. We are ready to order.
Group 4. During the meal.
Phrase 7. Could we get some more water, please? This works for anything. Water, bread, napkins. Could we get some more, and then add what you need? Could we get some more water, please?
Phrase 9. How long will it take? Use this if you are in a hurry or just curious. The waiter will give you an estimate. How long will it take?
Phrase 14. This is absolutely delicious. A wonderful compliment. Waiters love to hear it, and it is a great way to use the word absolutely in real English. This is absolutely delicious.
Group 5. Ordering dessert.
Phrase 10. Could we see the dessert menu? Very natural. Some restaurants bring it automatically. Others wait for you to ask. Could we see the dessert menu?
Group 6. Paying and leaving.
Phrase 11. Could we get the bill, please? This is how you ask for the check. In British English, it is the bill. In American English, it is the check. Both are correct. Could we get the bill, please?
Phrase 12. Is service included? Always useful to check. You do not want to tip twice or forget to tip at all. Is service included?
Phrase 13. Keep the change. This is what you say when you pay in cash and do not need the coins back. Keep the change.
Phrase 15. Sorry, I think there is a mistake on the bill. Stay calm, stay polite. Mistakes happen. This phrase is honest, clear, and not aggressive. Sorry, I think there is a mistake on the bill.
6 groups, 15 phrases, every one of them completely natural.
Now the shadowing section. We will do the full conversation again at natural speed. After each key phrase, you will hear a pause. That is your turn. Repeat the phrase out loud. Ready?
3, 2, 1. Let us go. Music. Soft restaurant ambiance. Waiter. Good evening. Do you have a reservation? No, we do not. Do you have a table for 2 available? Pause 3 seconds. Waiter. Right this way. Here are your menus. Can I start you with some drinks? Could we get some water, please? Still water. Pause 3 seconds.
Do you have any recommendations? Pause 3 seconds.
What is the soup of the day? Pause 3 seconds.
Is the salmon spicy at all? Pause 3 seconds. Can I have it without the cream sauce? Pause 3 seconds.
I think we are ready to order. Pause 3 seconds.
I will have the roasted tomato soup to start, and then the grilled salmon, please. No cream sauce. Pause 3 seconds.
I will have the slow-cooked lamb, please. And could we get some more bread while we wait? Pause 3 seconds.
This is absolutely delicious. Pause 3 seconds.
Could we get some more water, please? Pause 3 seconds. Could we see the dessert menu? Pause 3 seconds. Could we get the bill, please? Pause 3 seconds.
Sorry, I think there is a mistake on the bill. Pause 3 seconds.
Is service included? Pause 3 seconds. Keep the change. Pause 3 seconds.
Great work. You just practiced all 15 phrases at natural speed.
That is the whole meal, from walking in to walking out.
Now let us do a quick recap. 15 phrases for your next restaurant visit.
Arriving. Could we have a table for two, please?
Asking questions. Do you have any recommendations? What is the soup of the day? Is this dish spicy?
Ordering. I will have the grilled salmon, please. Can I have that without onions? We are ready to order.
During the meal. Could we get some more water, please? How long will it take? This is absolutely delicious.
Dessert. Could we see the dessert menu?
Paying. Could we get the bill, please? Is service included? Keep the change. And if something is wrong, sorry, I think there is a mistake on the bill.
15 phrases. 1 meal. 0 frozen moments.
Your comment challenge today. Write your order in English, right here in the comments. What would you choose from a menu? Use the phrase, I will have the, and tell us.
Drop it below. We read every single comment.
If this helped you, subscribe to Easy English Leap. We post a new lesson every day. Real language, real situations, real practice.
Next up, English speaking practice before sleep. A calm evening conversation with Anna and Jake. Perfect for winding down and learning at the same time.